We bought 5 acres on the side of a mountain and we're turning it into the ultimate weekend getaway. Follow along as I build my first off-grid sauna. Check out how beautiful this day is. Just awesome up here. It's gonna be sunny for 3 days. It is gonna be cold in the 20s tonight, but clear sky, can't beat that. So I'm up here taking advantage of that. This is the project at hand. We have all this 1.5 inch thick insulation. Got it for free from a garage Aaron tore out. It's got like 2 layers on it. It's kind of stiff. So I'm gonna use it to insulate the floor. I'm gonna use these strips here to hold it from falling through, and then I want to get plywood down. So hopefully I'll get the insulation and the plywood down today. It's already 2, so I got 3 hours of daylight. Air compressor's filling up, so yeah, let's get after it. All right, so what I got going. So these are the kind of furring strips. I took a 2x2 and just ripped them down the middle to save some money. That's pretty much how that goes. Then I do it again. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. This is kind of like the insulation. It's got some like fiber here and then foil on the bottom. It's kind of semi-rigid. I hope the mice don't like it. But I already put this in place, so I don't want to crawl under there and staple from the bottom. So I think this will work. New saw blade, that was nice. When I installed the saw blade, I noticed this is not snapping back. Not sure why. Maybe I tightened it too much. Yeah, it could be actually. Back off the nut a little bit. Squirt some WD in there or something. Don't want to ding up my brand new saw blade when I set it down. See, it's new. It left some blue marks. Last time I was up here, I ran out of generator gas and saw batteries. Well, all batteries. So I started hand nailing everything. So this project's definitely a mix of everything. We have basically a lifetime supply of nails, so I should use them up, but alright, let's see if it fits. Use on that side, I'll take the side too. Nice. It's a nice snug fit. Cool. Only got a half hour of daylight left, if that. Sun's gonna set in 20 minutes. So if I start moving fast, you're not wasting any time setting up. I might be able to do this before it gets dark. And the temperature is already getting below freezing. So I want to get a fire going, get some dinner. Yeah, I'm wearing a mask because this stuff smells like rat piss, and obviously the fibers are not going to be fun to crawl into my sleeping bag with tonight. Alright, nice fit. All right, last one. Moment of truth. Check out that hatchet. My buddy Aaron forged it in his garage. I think this is his first one. Finally got more lights on the cabin. I got these 12-volt LEDs wired straight to the batteries, so I don't have to use the inverter. Put out pretty good light. I installed them one morning while my friend was sleeping. So hungry, I'm surprised I can wait for spaghetti. I almost just ate the sausage. Well, I screwed up last time I used this canoe. I leaned it upside down against the cabin like I'm supposed to, but I obviously didn't do it right because it turned over and now it's frozen. I'm gonna do air in a solid, and I got this pump. I'm gonna pump it out. The reason why we don't just tip it over because it's a 16-foot canoe full of water. It's got a ton of water, and it would just dump all into the cabin. Maybe erode the footings and sink a little bit, and plus we have all the dry wood under there, so that's not an option. I'm gonna try to break through with this pump and see if this works. We're through. Alright, question is, where does cord reach? Hose is a piece of crap. Let's see if it's pumping anything. This hose, I got the world's worst hose on here. So it's got a leak in the hose. Yeah. But is it pumping on the other end? No. Shit. That's worse than I thought. That could be why. Oh, let's just cut this thing. There we go. There we go. That was fucking pretty good. All right, it's a gorgeous day. This is, man, I don't even know. It's Monday. It's Monday. So woke up today, did a 25-minute timer just to see if I could finish the installation, because I hate this. I'm getting like just rain with like just nasty dust. It's worse than that soft fiberglass stuff. It's way just dustier. Anyway, done now. I got the floor insulated. Came out pretty good. I'm gonna spray foam the cracks and then lay the plywood today. But first, I'm gonna give my back a break before I haul the plywood up this steep hill. I'm gonna go up to the tank way up there and put some metal fittings, try to finish that project. That plastic fittings shattered either from like tree debris hitting them or, well, probably tree debris because I don't think they're full of water. Anyway, so really get an idea for the space once the decking's on. Well, the deck's all screwed on. Of course, I didn't make my joist perfectly square, and it caused me some problems, but I got pretty close to the end, just had to shave one side of one panel. I think the overall platform is square, but I guess my layout wasn't good enough. Anyway, she's real sturdy, so I'm happy about that. I gotta rush home back to the city, and I hope I can find a tarp up here because it's gonna rain and I want to tarp this. Just because I'm not sure how the insulation's gonna be when it gets wet. It might be okay. It's kind of like semi rigid. It's not that foam stuff though. Unknown. Yeah, turned out pretty good. So it'll be 12 foot by 8 foot, and then there'll be a little step here, and you'll step down, and there'll be a hot tub, wood-fired hot tub right there. And this will all be under a cover. These 2 sheets will be an 8 by 8 sauna, and then you walk out into a warm room that will kind of have a door to get into the sauna, and also this is, people can change in here, or I'll probably put a shower eventually, but it'll have I already scored a frosted glass door for free off Craigslist, so that's be how you enter. The only strange things, I kept changing the dimensions of the building. There's like a 2 foot jog, so, and the door is going to be right there, so I'll probably make a step in a mini platform just to get in here. Yep, that's it. Now I gotta clean up quick and get the heck out of here. I want to show you guys the less sexy but practical part of off-grid cabin life. So when it's time to leave, you know, I hate doing dishes, especially when the water out there is just above freezing. You know, your fingers are numb instantly. So, and it doesn't clean very well. It doesn't suds up. So what I've been doing is I get some of that freezing water, and then I put some soap in all the pans. Then I get it heated up on the wood stoves to soak while I do my work, while I do the last work I need to do before I leave, and then also pack up. And then once I'm all packed up, that'll be nice and soaked, nice and warm, and then I can like clean whatever I else need to clean in the pans, in the water, and it just makes it so much easier and more pleasant. So, and I think it's faster too. So, just want to share that.